Welcome to our channel if you have a Google Play gift card and want to know exactly how to redeem it fast and hassle-free. This guide is for you. Welcome to our channel. Redeeming a Google Play gift card is a straightforward process that anyone can follow step by step. First, make sure you have the gift card code ready, which is usually a combination of letters and numbers scratched off the back of a physical card, or sent to you digitally. To begin, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device, or visit the Google Play website on your browser. Once you're signed into your Google account, click or tap on the menu icon located at the top left corner on mobile, or the profile picture on desktop. From the menu, select the option Redeem Code, which will prompt you to enter your gift card code. Carefully enter the code exactly as it appears on your card or email. After entering the code, double-check to ensure no mistakes were made, then press Redeem to apply the credit to your Google Play balance. You should receive a confirmation message indicating the funds have been added to your account. At this point, you can use your new balance to purchase apps, games, movies, books, or subscriptions available on the Google Play Store. It's important to remember that gift card credits do not expire, but do keep your code safe in case you need to redeem it again, or check your balance if you're unsure about your balance. You can always view it by opening the Google Play Store and tapping your profile, then Payment and Subscriptions, followed by Balance. Redeeming is this easy and allows you to enjoy countless digital items and services without needing to add your credit card information. Thank you for following along with our detailed step-by-step guide on how to redeem your Google Play gift card. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful tutorials coming your way.